Clean up immediately after a coal tar pothole repair to prevent stains, spills, and environmental harm. Start by sweeping the repaired area with a stiff-bristled push broom to collect loose aggregate and small tar flakes. Do this before foot or vehicle traffic resumes so debris does not spread. Use a flat metal scoop or putty knife to lift thicker tar blobs and place them into a sturdy metal or heavy-duty plastic container. Let any scraped tar cool and harden slightly so it is easier to remove without smearing. Rinse hand tools and shovels with warm water and biodegradable soap while the tar is still soft. Then wipe them dry to prevent buildup. If tar has already set, soak tools in hot soapy water for a few hours and scrape with a plastic scraper to avoid metal abrasion. Contain and collect wash water by directing it onto absorbent pads or into a temporary basin so it does not flow to storm drains or soil. Never pour solvent or wash water down gutters or drains. Bag packaging, used gloves, and non-hazardous residue in heavy-duty trash bags and label them if required by local waste rules. For leftover coal tar material, follow your municipality instructions for disposal, since some communities treat it as construction waste. Finally, inspect surrounding vegetation and paved surfaces for splatter and gently remove residue with mineral oil or a manufacturer-recommended non-hazardous cleaner applied sparingly, then blot with rags and dispose of used rags in sealed bags. Common problems include tar smearing across the pavement when it is still soft, which you can avoid by allowing the recommended curing time and using temporary barricades to stop traffic and foot access. Another issue is clogged storm drains from wash water or runoff. So always capture and contain rinse water and use absorbent materials instead of washing into gutters. A third concern is hardened tar on tools and equipment. Prevent this by rinsing tools before the tar sets, and by using plastic scrapers rather than metal to protect tool surfaces when removing residue after soaking. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for repairs like pothole patching and site cleanup, and helps contractors connect with nearby work opportunities. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and discuss best practices for cleanup and safety.